The 2026 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo is not just a car, it is an evolutionary leap for one of the most iconic sports machines ever built. For decades, the GT-R has carried a reputation that few vehicles can match, earning the nickname, Godzilla, for its ability to dominate tracks and streets with relentless precision. With the arrival of the R38 generation, Nissan has taken that legacy and pushed it to new heights, blending futuristic engineering, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and raw driving emotion into a supercar that redefines what performance truly means in the modern age. From the very first glance, the R38 Nismo announces itself as something extraordinary. Its design is more aggressive, sharper, and purposeful than ever before. The front fascia features a bold reinterpretation of Nissan's V-Motion grille, integrated seamlessly with massive air intakes and carbon fiber splitters designed not just for looks but to maximize cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. The headlights adopt a laser-etched LED design that gives the car a predator-like stare, while the hood's sculpted lines hint at the monstrous power beneath. On the sides, carbon skirts and air-channeling vents sharpen the profile, while the roofline maintains that iconic GT-R silhouette but with a sleeker, more modern flow. At the rear, the signature quad taillights evolve into a futuristic ring design, glowing with intensity against a full-width diffuser and a towering carbon wing that provides immense downforce at high speeds. This car doesn't just look fast, it looks alive, ready to pounce at any moment. Performance has always been the GT-R's crown jewel, and the 2026 R38 Nismo is a masterclass in balancing brute strength with surgical precision. Under the hood lies a re-engineered 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6, now hybrid-assisted with an advanced electric motor system that delivers instantaneous torque. The result is a staggering 850 horsepower combined output, making it the most powerful production GT-R ever built. The hybrid system is not just about power, it also enhances efficiency, ensuring the car meets stricter global regulations without sacrificing the soul of its combustion roar. The acceleration figures are jaw-dropping, with 0 to 60 miles per hour achieved in under 2.4 seconds, and a top speed that easily eclipses 215 miles per hour, placing the R38 firmly in hypercar territory. Handling is where the Nismo badge truly earns its honor. Nissan's legendary ATTESAETS all-wheel drive system has been reimagined with even faster response times, working in perfect harmony with active aerodynamics that adjust in real time to conditions on the road or track. The suspension, co-developed with motorsport engineers, features adaptive dampers and lightweight components that reduce unsprung mass while keeping the car glued to the surface. Carbon ceramic brakes provide unrelenting stopping power, ensuring the GT-R can handle its immense speed with confidence. Whether carving through mountain passes, tearing down straightaways, or dancing on a racetrack, the R38 Nismo feels like an extension of the driver's body, precise, agile, and unshakably composed. Step inside the cockpit, and you are greeted by a world where race-bred minimalism meets cutting-edge luxury. The cabin is draped in Alcantara, leather, and exposed carbon fiber, exuding both sophistication and sportiness. The seats are sculpted to hug the driver through every corner, yet comfortable enough for long-distance drives. A fully digital instrument cluster presents customizable displays, including telemetry data, G-force tracking, and real-time power distribution, a nod to the GT-R's motorsport DNA. At the center, an advanced infotainment system integrates seamlessly with modern connectivity, yet doesn't overwhelm the driver with distractions. Nissan has carefully engineered the cabin to keep the focus on driving, ensuring that every switch, paddle, and control is placed exactly where it belongs. The sound experience of the 2026 GT-R R38 Nismo deserves its own spotlight. The twin-turbo V6, combined with the electric motor, produces a symphony unlike anything else on the road. It's a blend of mechanical aggression and futuristic whirs, giving drivers a soundtrack that is both primal and advanced. Active exhaust tuning allows drivers to switch between stealthy silence in city driving and thunderous growls on open roads, adding an extra layer of personality to every drive. But what makes the R38 truly remarkable is how it balances its dual identity. On one hand, it's a track-destroying beast engineered for performance enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best. On the other, it's a sophisticated grand tourer capable of everyday usability, offering comfort, technology, and refinement that rivals high-end luxury sports cars. This dual nature has always been part of the GT-R's DNA, but the R38 elevates it to an entirely new level. In a world where electric supercars are emerging rapidly, some feared that the GT-R might lose its essence in the transition. But Nissan has proven that the future of performance is not about abandoning heritage but evolving it. The hybrid powertrain isn't a compromise, it's an evolution, giving the R38 both the raw mechanical thrill of combustion and the instant torque of electrification. It's a bridge between past and future, honoring tradition while embracing innovation. The 2026 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement that true legends never fade, they adapt, evolve, and come back stronger. It's a machine built for those who crave adrenaline, for those who respect heritage, and for those who believe driving should always stir the soul. As the GT-R enters a new era, one thing is clear: Godzilla is not only alive, it's hungrier than ever.